I'm Dylan, and this is my bike check. I got Odyssey power ends, Odyssey Air Under Ice keyboard grips, Stolen mid bars, Stolen Convict V3 stem, some random headset. I got Stolen Cyclone forks, a stock peg, a stock front wheel with Demolition Momentum tire 2.20. I got a Stolen Casino frame 2011, Stolen Thermalite PC pedals. I got Stolen MOB cranks and a Stolen class ring chain wheel, a Shadow Interlock V2 chain with a Shadow Conspiracy fat seat,
Not called that.
and a Stolen Thermalite PC post with a Stolen Choker V2 clamp, a Demolition Momentum tire in the 2.20, and a stock back wheel with another stock peg.